Hi everyone, so I'm back with another journal. This is another chunky one. It's a fabric cover. It's got lots of writing space. It's got lots of tags and flip pockets and flip pages. So I'm going to call it Rose because there's an element of roses going through it. Like I said, fabric cover. It measures 8 1/4 by 4 1/2. It has a 1 1/2 inch spine, although it is chunkier that side. 2 3/4, 3 signatures, 80 pages front and back. And when I say chunky, it's because there is a lot in it. We've got some lace trims here and lace trims there. This is a detachable closure. It's a crocheted doily, little doily there, and I've just sewn on the fabric, same fabric as what's on the journal. So that comes off completely. This will be listed in my shop. I'll have for today is the 12th of July. Yep, Friday, it's gone midnight here. 12th of July, and it will be free shipping for today. So for the 12th of July, free shipping. Okay, so that's the fabric. How pretty is that? And I've got loads of that left. And I actually just didn't want to cover that because I just thought it was pretty. Anyway, that's the kind of side view. Everybody likes the side view. So these papers are from, I don't know, but if you want to know, ask below and I will go hunting. Everything's turned off, so I don't know what's what. I'm just going to stand up and check. Excuse my squeaky chair. Let me just get my husband to have a look at that. Can't remember where that's from, but isn't it pretty? And then here we've got embossed pockets there. We've got some stenciling. This is ARTYmaze. This is just ephemera. That is from Your Creative Studio. We've got a tag here. That's ARTYmaze. I've kept it kind of neutrally with the old colour wise. That's just some coffee dyed stenciled paper, and then I stamped that on there. Isn't that a pretty stamp? And again, that was from Your Creative Studio. Don't know which box it was, but it was from one of them. Little side tuck here, and this is just a little scrappy notebook. Just like a couple of pages together. And it's just stapled it, and that's another stamp from one of the subscription boxes from Your Creative Studio. That just goes in there. Here we've got a little flip out, and you could pop a photo on there. We've got a tag in there. That's ARTYmaze. That's a little tuck there. This paper here is TaylorMadeJournals. Just a little ephemera piece there. That is a printable from... Oh, my brain's just not working tonight. Literally, it's just not working. If you want to know who it's from, just ask. I punched that with my binded O. Can't remember who that's from. It's a kit I bought recently. These are from ARTYmaze. Just made a pocket on that page with that. I just thought it was really pretty. Here we've got a deep lace pocket. Little tag there. And that tag is ARTYmaze. This lovely trim here, some lined paper. You could actually tuck something in there as well if you wanted to. Here we've got the flip page. Inside there we've got a tag, some ephemera from Art Era Gallery. Honestly, I'm going to be talking about them in a video coming soon. That's a little top tuck there, and you can tuck more things in there. We've got that tag there. So there's a lot of that little page there. We've got 1 pocket, 2 pockets, 3 and 4 here. 4 pockets there. I think I need to move that back down again. Little ephemera piece from Your Creative Studio. Tag from ARTYmaze. Just a little stamped piece there. That is gorgeous. That is. And that was a stamp from Your Creative Studio. There's a big tag there. Some stenciling here. We've got hearts on a string. some more stenciling on the paper. So this center, you've got a few pages. So this flips out. We've got some ephemera in here from TaylorMadeJournals. You can also write on there as well. I can't remember who that's from. I've bought quite a lot of kits that are quite similar in tones and things at the moment, and I can't remember the names of the places like this, because I kind of thought, not from the same person, but you can see where I'm going with the flowers and everything. There's a pocket there. I'll put a tab on that. That flips out. Got writing space there. Just a big tall tag. Some ephemera from TaylorMadeJournals. And that's that flip page. And then here we've got, you can write again on there. Just a little stamped piece here. That was actually some square paper, but heavily coffee dyed. Or tea dyed. Actually what it was coffee and tea. I've been mixing the two of them together just to get like nice colours. Piece of ephemera here. That's just a vellum tag. How cool is that? Tag there from ARTYmaze. Some more ephemera pieces. And another one of these. And here we've got another little pocket, some ephemera, a tag, and an ephemera piece there. Oh, and these are from MyPorchPrints. That's a little flip out there. And we've got a space here. Actually, that could go in there. That's got a little fold over piece. That could actually go in there. And that's just a little piece of coffee dyed paper that I've stamped on. And you can do lots of journaling on there. Do you know what would be nice if you could put like, or you drew something, or you put some stickers there and then just wrote on there. Then we've got that tag in there. We've got another little flip out there. You can just journal on here. Got a tag there. And some more tags and ephemera. And that's another little piece. So that's the first signature there. And then here the middle signature is just plain coffee dyed papers, lined, squared, and then just copy paper. And then onto the third signature here. Again, we've got some more ephemera pieces, stamped. That was two separate stamps that I done. I thought that came out quite cool actually. Might sit and do some stamping. I do like stamping on. Well, I like it when it comes out okay. Little postcard there, little tuck that flips out like so, and I've just popped little bits in there. Tag in the back of there, and then that goes in like so. And I can't remember where these papers come from. Again, MyPorchPrints. Somewhere to journal, little side pocket there, ARTYmaze postcard there, another big deep pocket, little scrappy notebook. And that goes in there. One of these. Oops. It's the only thing with the lacy pockets, sometimes the papers catch on it. Another big tag there from ARTYmaze. It's just a little piece there. That's a printable. Have we got anything else? No. That just goes in that pocket. Then we have that there. And then that comes out like so. We've got that pocket here with one of them. And ephemera piece. Another postcard there. And a tag. And that flips back up. Some stenciling. This is that paper. Love it. That's open there. You can tuck like things in there if you want to. centre of the signature with the hearts on a string. Another pocket there. What's this page down? Oh, that goes that way. Somewhere to journal. Big tag. That's TaylorMadeJournals. Inside there we've got another journal card and another ephemera piece. Pocket here. Ephemera pieces and oops, another tag there. Another little scrappy notebook with a little stamped bit on there. Just loads of little bits of paper, some tags. That flips out. Somewhere to journal. We have a postcard there. A tag. Love the birdie. Another little flip out here. Journal card inside there. Pocket here. And here we've got another journal card, another ephemera piece. Big postcard there. Flower tag. And then that is that. So that is, yeah, what was I doing there? Yeah, that goes in that way, doesn't it? There we go. So that is the journal. So if you're interested in this, with its free shipping offer, then I will put a link below and you can go and check that out. You can check out my digitals, my freebies. I've put that on the wrong way. Just have a little browse around my KoFi Shop and see if there's anything that takes your fancy. There we go. So that is that. If you do have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.